What if everything you thought you knew about cosmic rays was a lie? What if these invisible, omnipresent particles weren't just harmless background radiation, but something far more sinister, carrying secrets the scientific community actively hides from public view? Imagine a force so pervasive, so powerful, that its true nature could rewrite our understanding of reality. Yet we're told it's just space weather. Tonight, we're peeling back the layers on cosmic rays to reveal the chilling truth they don't want you to know. Prepare to question everything. What if the real danger isn't out there in the vacuum of space, but right here, bombarding us constantly? To really grasp the unsettling implications of cosmic rays, we need to strip away the sanitized, textbook explanations. We're often taught that cosmic rays are high-energy particles, mostly protons and atomic nuclei, zipping through space at nearly the speed of light, remnants of supernovae or other violent cosmic events. They hit our atmosphere, create secondary showers of particles, and are largely deflected by Earth's magnetic field. Harmless, right? A minor inconvenience for astronauts, perhaps, but for us down here, protected by layers of atmosphere and magnetosphere, they're just part of the background hum of the universe. This is the comfortable narrative, the one designed to keep us from asking too many questions. But what if this narrative is a carefully constructed facade, designed to obscure a deeper, more profound, and utterly terrifying reality? The common understanding utterly fails to explain the true power these particles possess, their mysterious origins, and the inexplicable patterns that seem to follow their fluctuations. For decades, scientists have quietly logged anomalies, instances where these harmless particles seem to correlate with events that defy conventional explanation. The more we dig, the more unsettling the picture becomes, suggesting that our current scientific models are woefully inadequate, perhaps even deliberately incomplete. The rabbit hole goes far deeper than a simple physics lesson, leading into realms of biology, technology, and perhaps even consciousness itself. What if these cosmic rays aren't just random particles, but a constant, silent broadcast from an unimaginable source, influencing everything around us in ways we can barely comprehend? But things take a much darker turn when you start to connect the dots. The harmless background radiation narrative begins to unravel. For starters, let's talk about the mysterious origins of some of these ultra-high-energy cosmic rays. We're talking particles traveling so fast, with so much energy, that scientists struggle to identify any known astrophysical phenomenon powerful enough to accelerate them. They often appear to originate from voids in space, regions where no known active galaxies or quasars reside. Some theories, hushed and speculative in mainstream circles, even suggest these particles are not naturally occurring, but perhaps engineered. Could they be a form of interstellar communication, or perhaps even a weapon? The implications are staggering. And then there's the technological vulnerability. We're told our electronics are robust, but a single, sufficiently energetic cosmic ray particle can flip a bit in a computer chip, causing a single event upset, or SEU. In critical systems, like avionics or spacecraft, these aren't minor glitches. We've seen unexplained errors in satellites, electoral systems, and even medical devices, often dismissed as software bugs or random failures. But what if these weren't random? What if a sustained increase in high-energy cosmic rays could trigger widespread, inexplicable technological failures, plunging entire regions into a digital dark age? Forget solar flares. The true unseen enemy might be far more insidious. Experts have quietly developed error correction codes and redundant systems to counteract these effects. A multi-billion-dollar industry that stands as a testament to the unacknowledged threat. Why are these measures so sophisticated if the threat is so negligible? The investment seems disproportionate to the public's understanding of the danger. Furthermore, there have been unsettling correlations between spikes in cosmic ray activity and increases in reported psychological distress, inexplicable dreams, and even strange animal behaviors. While dismissed as anecdotal by many, a pattern starts to emerge if you look closely enough. Are these merely coincidences, or is it possible that our biological systems, our very consciousness, are not immune to these cosmic bombardments? Some fringe research suggests that cosmic rays might interact with neural pathways, influencing thought patterns, mood, and perception in subtle yet profound ways. The idea that invisible particles from deep space could tinker with the human mind is chilling, painting a picture where our thoughts might not be as entirely our own as we believe. The tension builds when you consider historical events. Unexplained power outages, bizarre equipment malfunctions during critical historical moments, even some unexplainable weather patterns have been retrospectively scrutinized against cosmic ray data. While correlations don't prove causation, the sheer number of coincidences begins to feel less like chance and more like a carefully orchestrated sequence. The shadows lengthen, and the questions multiply. What precisely is controlling these cosmic currents, and to what end? What they discovered next, or rather, what some brave, often ostracized scientists began to truly uncover, changed everything. They started to look beyond the immediate effects and considered the long-term, cumulative impact of cosmic ray exposure on not just electronics, but on life itself. Imagine a world where every living cell is constantly being bombarded, not just by ambient solar radiation, but by forces from beyond our galaxy. What does that do to DNA, to evolution, to the very fabric of biological stability? Some radical theories postulate that cosmic rays might be a key driver of rapid evolutionary jumps, not gradual adaptation, but sudden, inexplicable genetic mutations that give rise to new species or dramatic changes within existing ones. Could it be that these bursts of cosmic energy are not random, but signals designed to push life in certain directions, a cosmic gardener tending to his terrestrial plot? The scariest thought, however, revolves around the potential for intelligence within these rays, not in a sentient sense, but in their capacity to transmit information. Certain physicists have dared to propose that ultra-high-energy cosmic rays act as conduits for patterns, complex information packets that could influence quantum processes, or even act as a form of non-local communication, linking distant parts of the universe. If true, it means we are not just bathed in inert particles, but in a constant stream of information, an alien broadcast encoded into the very fabric of space-time, impacting our DNA, our technology, and potentially our collective unconscious. There's a fringe theory connecting these cosmic patterns to ancient planetary cataclysms, suggesting that major extinction events or geological shifts might be triggered not solely by internal Earth processes, but by these external cosmic bombardments. The idea that Earth's history and our very existence is being written by forces beyond our control, dictated by an invisible, intelligent hand from the stars, is the ultimate terror. It posits that we are not masters of our destiny, but mere puppets in a grand cosmic play, unaware of the strings being pulled by these omnipresent, unseen forces. What if the randomness we perceive in mutation and evolution, in technological failure, and even human thought, is merely an echo of a deeper, more sophisticated code being transmitted through these cosmic rays? The concept isn't just unsettling, it shatters our anthropocentric view of the universe, positioning humanity as a minor player, subject to influences we cannot perceive or even begin to comprehend. To this day, the truly terrifying implications of cosmic rays remain largely confined to the margins of scientific discourse, whispered among those daring enough to question the comfortable consensus. We may never fully grasp the true nature of these mysterious travelers from the void, nor the extent to which they influence our technology, our biology, and perhaps even our very thoughts. The official narrative serves as a shield, protecting us from a reality too vast, too complex, and too unsettling to confront. But the data, the anomalies, and the persistent unanswered questions continue to accumulate, hinting at a truth far stranger and more profound than any science fiction story. Are these cosmic rays merely random particles, or are they messengers from an unknown intelligence shaping our world in ways we can only begin to imagine? The universe, it seems, holds secrets far darker than we dare to dream. And perhaps it's better that way. If you want more mysteries that challenge the boundaries of our understanding, the next video explores the unsettling phenomenon of phantom power outages and whether they're truly accidental or something far more coordinated.